got some links taken out of my new watch I got for Christmas, so it fits better. And now we're going over to the Paradisimo, is that how you say it? Paradisio. To see if Star Wars is playing. But really all I want to do is go over here to Ben & Jerry's and have a lot of ice cream. That might have to happen today before the day's over. I am back home. We had a very lovely day out today. Hope you guys enjoyed walking through the Crystal Shrine Grotto with me. It is always really a neat place to go. It's been a few years since I've walked through. It hasn't changed at all, but it is still, I would say, I think it personally, it's prettier to go in the spring when the flowers are blooming over there and that kind of thing. But today was kind of chilly, but there was a lot of people walking through the cave, and I was kind of quite surprised that there was as many people over there as there was, but it was really nice. I really enjoyed myself. Then we went to Star Wars. We went to the IMAX Star Wars. It is the first movie that I have been to in 10 years. I have not been to a movie that long, which is kind of strange to tell somebody that, but I just guess I've been too busy to go to the movies, or maybe somebody didn't want to take me. I don't know, but I didn't go to the movies. I was trying to think the last time I went to the movies, and I couldn't remember the last movie that I saw, but I did remember I took the kids to see Toy Story when they were little. But honestly have not gone to a movie. Lucas is coming home from work. Anyways, then we went out to eat, and we went to the Old Venice Pizza Company. It was delicious. I highly recommend it. Anyhow, I hope you all are having a blessed day. Hope you had a great weekend, because this will go out on Monday. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and give this video a thumbs up. And I will be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys.